Exploring artificial intelligence. AI adoption in Palantir's defense sector. Palantir Technologies has become one of the most influential players in the defense sector's digital transformation. Its AI-driven platforms, Palantir Gotham and Foundry, are reshaping how defense organizations gather intelligence, make operational decisions, and coordinate missions. Artificial intelligence within defense is no longer an abstract concept. It is now deeply embedded in intelligence analysis, logistics, and battlefield decision-making. Palantir's work with government agencies, including the U.S. Department of Defense and NATO, demonstrates how AI can translate massive, fragmented datasets into actionable insight. Palantir's design philosophy centers around human-machine collaboration. Rather than creating fully autonomous systems, the company builds AI tools that augment human analysts and commanders. Its Gotham platform integrates structured and unstructured data from sensors, satellites, logistics networks, and field reports. Machine learning models then identify hidden patterns, predict outcomes, and recommend strategic options. Development occurs through a close feedback loop between Palantir engineers and defense personnel. In field tests, models are continuously retrained using classified and open-source data. The company prioritizes explainability, ensuring that AI-generated recommendations can be traced back to interpretable data sources. This transparency is critical in high-risk military environments, where accountability and verification are essential. The core objective of Palantir's AI deployment in defense is to enhance situational awareness and accelerate decision cycles. Functionalities include predictive analytics for logistics, threat detection using computer vision, and simulation tools that test various tactical scenarios. For example, during humanitarian missions, Palantir systems can forecast supply shortages or model evacuation routes. In combat scenarios, AI can fuse satellite imagery with communications intercepts to identify hostile movements in seconds, a process that once took hours or days. Effectiveness is evaluated through mission outcomes, operational efficiency, and user adoption within defense units. Reports from US and UK defense projects indicate improved coordination, faster data interpretation, and reduced decision latency. From a managerial standpoint, Palantir's model emphasizes embedded partnerships. Instead of selling software licenses, Palantir deploys engineers and data scientists directly within defense agencies. This ensures that AI solutions align with operational realities rather than theoretical design. Economically, the defense sector's investment in Palantir reflects a broader trend: the shift from traditional procurement to data-centric contracting. Governments now pay for continuous system performance and updates, not just one-time infrastructure. While this creates long-term value and adaptability, it also increases dependency on private technology providers, raising questions about national data sovereignty and vendor lock-in. AI use in defense inevitably raises ethical and legal challenges. Palantir maintains that its platforms are decision support systems, not autonomous weapons. Yet, the fine line between assistance and automation is narrowing. Concerns include potential bias in training data, lack of transparency in algorithmic decisions, and the moral implications of delegating life-and-death judgments to computational systems. Legally, compliance with frameworks such as international humanitarian law and GDPR remains complex. When AI systems process sensitive or classified information, even inadvertent data leaks can have geopolitical consequences. Therefore, governance structures and oversight mechanisms are critical for ethical deployment. Societally, Palantir's defense represents both progress and tension. Supporters argue that AI enhances global security, enabling faster humanitarian responses and precision-based operations that minimize civilian harm. Critics warn of increased surveillance, erosion of privacy, and the normalization of algorithmic warfare. The broader societal question is not simply whether AI can be used in defense, but whether it should, and under what boundaries. As AI continues to evolve, public trust will depend on transparency, accountability, and open dialogue between governments, technology firms, and citizens. Thank you for listening.